Guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some miniature erasers. These turned out super cute and they're very easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's get started. For this DIY, you're going to need eraser making clay, which you can easily find on Amazon or at Michael's. I will have a link for it in the description box if you want to check it out. I'm going to be making 12 different designs. You can do any design that you like. I honestly wanted to make more of these, but I kind of ran out of time. I feel like it would be like a really nice video to make like 100 of these. So if you have any like design ideas, you can let me know in a comment. The final step is to bake these in the oven according to the instructions on the packaging. And here are the erasers all done. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in a comment down below which design was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.